Next up, Central Station on the brand new map. If we head across to the far east side of the map, you'll find Central Station in H or I 4 and 5. There are many entrances to this building here, for which there are quite a few closed doors. There are, of course, quite a few armed guards around in the area, so do be prepared when you come here. Now, when you get here, there are quite a few doors that you can open without the use of keys, but what we're really looking for is the south side all the way down here. Now, there are many AI inside of here, so just keep that in mind when you get here. There will be quite a bit of pushback, especially on the bottom floor. However, the upstairs seems to be relatively safe. Now, you'll also see train station is a marker on the map, so when we eventually navigate south enough to get here, you'll find these locked doors. Not only are they locked doors on the inside of this building to get into this section, but also around the outside there are multiple doors to enter here. So just keep that in mind should you choose to come here. If you open one of the doors and you'd like your friends to get in as well, you can open the doors using the deadbolt on the inside. You don't need multiple key uses to get through the train station. For example, right outside here on the far south side of this building is this door here, and there should be another door just around the corner in that section as well. Once again, it's on the far east side of the map here. That's about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!